Today we will create YouTube profile, banner or thumbnail for our YouTube video. We go to canva.com, then you can select what type of content you want. So we just want to YouTube banner, just click on it. It will open a canvas where you can select theme or design what you want to prefer. So we can just select one of our design. Some have with pro, some have free, so we just select for free. Just click it. It will add the template in your canvas. Now you can just change it. We can change the title, free web profile. You can change the size, make it center. On gravitor.com. You can just delete rest of the things you don't want to add. Here you can change the other stuff. You can add it. I already uploaded some files, you can use them. Also you can upload a new file. As I upload a new file, you can see it's uploading. So I just click and add it, drag and drop, it will add it. If we download a logo, you can also use the that profile. So that's our design done. You can just share and download it on your laptop. It will start downloading. As it's completed, it will open. There, now you can see it's created a thumbnail our video. Thanks for watching.